Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs Nick DiGiovanni only way. Start with room temperature eggs in a single layer, cover with cold water 1 inch above, bring to a gentle boil, then turn off heat and let sit covered for 10 minutes before cooling in an ice bath to stop cooking. Peel under running water to remove the membrane and enjoy warm or chilled yolks. For consistent results, bring the pot to a gentle boil, then remove it from the heat and cover the pan so residual heat finishes the eggs evenly. For creamier, jammy yolks shorten the steep to 7 minutes, and for fully set yolks keep it at 10 minutes. Use an ice bath to halt carryover cooking and make peeling simpler, and always test 1 egg first if trying a new stovetop. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. On another note, I recommend The Simple Path to Wealth as a smart, calm guide to money and habits that can free up time for cooking projects like these eggs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. To peel, tap the egg on a hard surface and roll to crack the shell, then peel under a gentle stream of running water to separate the membrane. For storage, keep unpeeled eggs in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week and label with the cook date to stay organized. Peeled eggs should be eaten within a few days and used in salads, sandwiches, or as quick snacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.